Hi friends, I'm Haley from Snuggle Bugz, and I am so excited to share with you this infant seat because it is a Canadian brand just like us. The Liing is the first infant car seat from Clek, a Canadian manufacturer that is known for convertible and booster car seats that are top of the line for both safety and style. Founded by automotive industry veterans, Clek applies the technology within our vehicles to children's car seats. The new release of the Clek Liing has been highly anticipated and has not disappointed. Weighing in at only 9 pounds, you can use this seat from 4 pounds to 35 pounds or up to 32 inches, whichever comes first. The Liing fits on the same adapters as Nuna, Maxi-Cosi, or Cybex infant seats, meaning that it is compatible with many of our strollers to create a convenient travel system. And bonus, there's a one-handed release on the back of the seat from the stroller. The canopy is rated UPF 100+, so rest assured that your little one will be protected while you're out and about. Now, let's talk safety. The Clek Liing includes leading safety features such as a load leg, which is a metal bar that extends from the base of the car seat to the floor of your car to prevent the seat from rotating or rebounding in case of a crash. EPP Foam is the sturdiest type of foam for absorbing crash forces and maximizing air circulation. This is the foam that lines the shell of the Clek Liing car seat. Another appealing feature of this infant seat is that it can be installed with a seatbelt and no base using a European build path. There is a 2-stage infant insert included with your purchase that provides a snug fit for newborn and additional head support. You'll remove this as your little one grows. The base of the Clek Liing is extremely unique, offering 7 recline positions after the base is installed in your vehicle. This allows the seat to be safely installed in any vehicle seat, flat or sloped, which means no pool noodles for you. The base can be installed in your vehicle using rigid latch connectors that simply slide into the lower anchors in your vehicle and provide the strongest connection to your seat. Color indicators will change from red to green when your base is correctly secured. If you're looking at using a middle seat or don't have lower anchors, you can utilize the belt tensioning system by installing the base with your vehicle's seatbelt. Now that you've been introduced to the Clek Liing, head into any of our Snuggle Bugz locations and try it out. We'll dry fit the seat in your car to ensure a safe and comfortable ride. Remember that you'll transition into a rear-facing Clek Foomph or Flow convertible car seat once your baby outgrows their Liing. Any questions? Ask away in the comments below. We can't wait to hear from you.